and the teachers and all.
Suspended Congress legislature party leader Ampareen has expressed disappointment at the manner in which the Congress presidential election was held. She said Congress could have handled the election a little bit more elegantly. She said if a very senior congressman like Shashi Tharoor sees that there has been some deviation from the prescribed norms, then she would go with him.
I would feel that if a very senior congressman like Shashi Tharoor ji sees that there has been some deviation from the prescribed norm, then I would go with Shashi Tharoor ji, because I happen to know him personally, individually. But it's very sad to see that again this controversy rises.